Hi everyone, we are getting a lot of calls regarding your admit card, and that is why we are making this video to give you update on your admit card. So most probably your admit card will be released today because that is the official date, and lot of press release we have seen also in the helpline number when we call. This is the information, best information till now we have. So admit card will be released today, or in case if it is not, then tomorrow surely this will be released. So most probably today late night or tomorrow, but this is the official date, and everywhere it is. You can see the press release and other detail on the Google also when you will do search. So today is the date. Now how to download it? You need to go to website and then click on the registration, this link, and then this interface will appear where you need to enter the all your login details, and then you can download your admit card. So whenever we will have next update, we will be live and we will update you. You stay safe and do watch Ignite India video. You can also download the Ignite India app and you can solve the test series. You can also join Ignite India test series to score well in NATA 2022. All the best.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CEED, UCEED entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.